Hello and welcome to the FAL Crypto Minute, your daily source of educational crypto content in under around 5 to 10 minutes. On today's show, we're going to be going over the top 10 cryptos for the day, as well as Cathie Wood's ARK Investment selling 1.4 million coin shares, and an overview on Ethereum and its upcoming 2.0 update. All that and more on today's FAL Crypto Minute. Before we get into those news stories, as always, we're going to go through these top 10 cryptos for the day really quick. At number 1, we have Bitcoin at $22,726, up 7.91%. At number 2, we have Ethereum at $1,601, up 14.8%. At number 3, we have Tether. At number 4, we have USDC. At number 5, we have BNB at $268, up 9.14%. At number 6 is Binance USD. At number 7 is XRP at 35 cents, up 6%. At number 8 is Cardano at 50 cents, up 9.18%. At number 9 is Solana at $39, up 10.43%. And at number 10, we have Dogecoin at 65 cents, up 6.26%. And that was your top 10 cryptos for the day. Let's begin with our first story of the day. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest sells 1.4 million coin shares. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest reportedly sold more than 1.4 million shares of Coinbase Global Coin on Tuesday, according to the company's daily trade newsletter. Coin is the official moniker on the NASDAQ when you go to buy Coinbase stock. These shares were sold through 3 of ARK's exchange-traded funds: Next Generation Internet, FinTech Innovation, and ARK Innovation, the latter of which sold the majority at 1,133,495 coin shares. This sell-off led to Coinbase stock closing on Tuesday down 21.08% at $52.93. In short, ARK Invest sold off around $75 million worth of shares in America's #1 cryptocurrency exchange. ARK Invest is Coinbase's third largest investor and held around 9 million shares at the end of June, according to Bloomberg. The corp has been purchasing shares in the crypto exchange since it debuted on the NASDAQ in April of 2021, with its last major purchase of $30 million coming back in May. ARK, the firm's flagship ETF, had big gains in 2020 due to the surging stock market. Since then, though, the firm has shedded around 57.84% since the start of the year, due in large part to the speculation that the pandemic rally was coming to an end, slowing the growth of the entire stock market. This sell-off comes just days after the SEC announced a probe looking into if Coinbase had allowed its customers to purchase assets that should have been classified as securities. The investigation most likely stems from last week's reported arrest of a former Coinbase employee who's accused of insider trading, as it was discovered that he was giving his brother the list of tokens before they were being added to the exchange. Coinbase did not take these claims lightly, as its chief legal officer, Paul Grewal, took to Twitter to defend his employer's honor, stating, "We are confident that our rigorous diligence process, a process that the SEC has already reviewed, keeps security off our platform, and we look forward to engaging with the SEC on the matter." ARK's move may be followed by other investors, as Coinbase had already lost some of its reputability when it laid off a significant number of staff, even rescinding certain already accepted job offers. This is a story that we're going to definitely be keeping an eye on, as Coinbase is America's largest crypto exchange. And, to be in litigation or in a probe right now to check if your corporation is as sound as you say it is a little scary, I bet, for someone like the third largest investor in the company, which Cathie Wood's ARK was. Moving into our next story, is going to be a overview on Ethereum and its upcoming 2.0 update. Since Thursday's Ethereum developer meeting, ETH has rallied an impressive 30%, indicating increased confidence in the new timeline. In another sign of strength for Ethereum, the cryptocurrency option markets on Monday indicated more bullish than bearish bets, signaling an upside momentum for the first time in 6 months. And maybe the most significant, but hardest to quantify, force at play, narrative. After weeks of adverse headlines about struggling crypto firms, inflation, and the Fed rate hikes, the reality that the long-awaited upgrade to the second biggest cryptocurrency blockchain is near might have injected some much-needed optimism into the market. The ETH rally began last Friday after Ethereum developers agreed to an updated September timeline for the blockchain's long-awaited merge upgrade, which will see it move from its current energy-intensive proof-of-work system to a 99% more efficient proof-of-stake system. The merge is a complex, multi-year technological feat that has seen many delays. Here's how it will work and why it matters. Starting with proof of work, it's the original crypto consensus model, beginning with Bitcoin. It allows many computers across a decentralized network to verify transaction. Ethereum also currently uses this process to create new coins. It requires a huge amount of computer power from virtual miners around the world who compete to solve a time-consuming math puzzle. The winner gets to update the blockchain with the latest block of verified transaction and is rewarded with a predetermined amount of new Ethereum. With the rise of DeFi and NFTs, Ethereum's network has endured traffic bottlenecks and unpredictable spikes in transaction fees. Enter proof of stake. Proof of stake blockchains, which are used by low-fee ETH alternatives like Solana and Avalanche, are designed to be faster, less resource-intensive, and theoretically more secure. Instead of requiring energy-intensive mining, proof-of-stake networks rely on validators that contribute their own ETH as collateral in exchange for a chance to update the block with the latest verified transaction and earn newly minted tokens. So what exactly is being merged? Ethereum's upgrade will combine the current proof-of-work blockchain with a proof-of-stake blockchain called the Beacon Chain, which has been running since 2020. Once completed, the Beacon Chain will take over the process of validating new transactions. Hundreds of thousands of validators have already staked more than 13 million ETH on the Beacon Chain. On Thursday, ETH developer Tim Biko suggested the upgrade will happen the week of September 19th, but that the date isn't final. The merge has been in the works since 2015 and has seen repeated delays. In May, ETH co-founder Vitalik Buterin said August was the goal. However, the recent successful launches of Proof of Stake on the Ropsten and Sopelia testnets seem to have inspired new faith in the timeline, which includes August's final trial on the Gorerli testnet before September's main upgrade. This is going to be a big step for Ethereum. This is a really big step for Ethereum, as this is something that's been looked upon to as, the second coming of the coin, a transition against the bad actors within the market or the media who try to quantify crypto as all energy consuming and how horrible it is. It's very much a narrative that's being run through right now. So seeing ETH get to 2.0, having its date finally after all these delays, it's pretty big for us. So I'm very excited to see what this brings for the number 2 cryptocurrency in the world. But that was it for our FAL Crypto podcast today. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you for tuning in. You could follow me on Twitter over at crypto_Lajara. That's crypto_Lajara. You can follow the official FAL Crypto Consultants Twitter over at CryptoFAL. FAL is a one-stop shop for your cryptocurrency needs. From answering questions for new people to bigger institutional clients, we're there for you. Regardless if you're a small business or bank, we'll make sure to take a tailored approach to all your needs. Our teams house specialists in all areas of cryptocurrency, from mining, trading, creating NFTs, creating DAOs, staking and lending questions, to general market research. Go to cryptofile.com to learn more. Once again, thank you for listening, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.